a wonderful thing to do for this summer. Okay, today we are going to be reading The Power of Art, When My Feelings Can't Talk by Veronika Childs. Oh, this is going to be a really great book. Are you ready? Oh, my friends are so cute. Ready? Yay, let's go.
The Power of Art, When My Feelings Can't Talk, written by Veronika Childs. Hello, my name is Sammy. Would you like to play? I have something new to show you today.
Ooh, I wonder what it is.
It looks like he has some pants.
Oh, yeah.
This is my art book. I want you to see.
Ooh.
The art in this book is special to me.
Oh, yeah, I love all those pretty stars.
Me too. This one is happy.
It looks like Sammy's playing with a tiger friend.
Yeah. This painting is sad.
Oh, she dropped her ice cream.
I would be sad too. They can be funny.
Oh, look at that bear riding the unicycle.
I think it's a clown.
Oh, yeah.
Or they can be mad.
Ooh, it's a bull.
It looks like he's angry. I made this one silly. I like to have fun.
Oh, look at the donkey's hat.
I love the flower.
Oh, me too.
How would you draw this big yellow sun? Mine, yours.
I think I would draw it with some yellow and orange.
Me too.
Ooh.
I make what I see or feel in my heart. Words can't explain it. That's why I use art.
Oh, I wonder where Sammy is.
I think the circus, right?
Oh, yeah.
How do you feel? Happy, sad, proud, angry, surprised, confused, loving, afraid, lonely, embarrassed, excited, sorry, guilty, bored, jealous, shy. I feel happy and excited right now. Me too, because we have a new book to read.
Yeah.
Sometimes I keep them, but sometimes I share. The things that I make with someone who cares.
Oh, I love that picture.
Me too. Green and blue and yellow, a little red too. I draw with you. I made this for you.
Oh, thank you, Sammy.
Thank you very much. Sometimes I draw when my neighbor is mad.
Ooh, it looks like the neighbor's flowers got squished.
I like those flowers that Sammy is painting.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes I draw from a friend who is sad.
Oh, that's sweet.
So, whatever you feel, you can draw or create. Something you love or something not great.
Oh.
What do you love?
Ooh, I love dogs.
Me too. Would you make something that makes you feel glad? Yes!
Oh, I love that puppy.
Me too. Or things that are scary.
Ooh, spooky.
Spooky, spooky. Or when you felt sad.
Oh, it looks like his balloon popped.
Or sometimes it's not a something at all. Instead, it's a feeling that makes you feel small.
Oh.
Like when you felt sad way down in your heart. You can put it on paper. You can make art.
Yeah.
That day you were happy down at the park.
Ooh, I love that fox's kite.
Me too. A sad, sad feeling all alone in the dark.
Oh, she looks sad.
Your feelings matter. It's okay to cry. It looks like you got a boo-boo.
Yeah.
It's okay to laugh. It's okay to sigh. Just make what you feel and give it some zest. No one will know if it isn't the best.
Ooh, I love that balloon painting.
Me too. The flowers are so pretty. This is my art book. Are you ready to start? This is the day for your book full of art. Yay!
About the author. Veronika Childs is an author, speaker, podcast host, and mother of 3. Through her creative projects, she works to inspire others to make an impact. She hopes to encourage readers to be themselves, serve others, follow their passions, and heal it forward. Wow, I really love this book.
Me too. It was wonderful.
I love Sammy's paintings too. They were beautiful.
And colorful.
And I love how this is perfect for all the kids who can express themselves through art.